What's up, Tesla fam? I've been having this click rattle noise for several years now. It's been driving me insane, and service center couldn't find out what's wrong with it, so I took the matter in my own hand. I think I finally found it. But first, some of the noises could come from several places. As you can see, I took out the panel right here and over there. Just trying to locate what's causing the clicking rattle noise. I don't have the sound for it, but I could find it somewhere else. And I'll put it in the description for you. But here's several spots where, the rattle sound can come from. The first one's right here, this hole right here. As you can see, I put Gorilla tape over the edges so that it doesn't make a sound, hopefully. But this is not the one I found. This is not the original, the corporate. And over here, I put Gorilla tape as well. Just trying to soundproof this part right here. And let's see. Over there, I did the same thing. And this right here, I put Gorilla tape over as well. This part goes to right here. And keep in mind, after I did all of these, and the sound's still happening. So the last part that really solved the puzzle was this little part right here. And this is what really causing the rattle or clicking middle noise after I go bump and stuff. I put Gorilla tape. I kind of double layered it. I'm probably gonna triple layer it because there's still some sound. But overall, this is the culprit for causing all the sound. As you can see right here, it's already damaged from the rubbing or clicking. But yeah, so that's the culprit. I hope you find this video useful. Yeah.